Hey, it's Colin Watson here. Today I'd like to discuss climate change in Australia. Some of the topics I'll be going over today is what is climate change, the consequences and impacts of climate change, and what Australia is doing about climate change. What is climate change? Climate change is shifts in temperatures and weather patterns. It's caused by both natural changes and by human activities. Natural changes such as sun's energy and volcanic eruptions, and human activities such as burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil and gas, deforestation for developments, and using unsustainable farming methods. The consequences and impacts of climate change is an increase in global temperatures. So since 1910, Australia has warmed by about 1 degree and will only ever increase unless we do something about it. Extreme weather events such as flooding and droughts. So warming has increased frequency of heat waves, increasing evaporation. Warmer air can hold more water vapor, increasing intensity of rainfall. Sea levels rising as ice caps melt. The thickness of the Arctic ice has decreased by 40% since the 1960s due to global warming. And ecosystem, which influences the shifts in how species interact and the distribution in plants and viruses. What is Australia doing about climate change? So Australia is setting emission reduction targets, such as reducing greenhouse emissions to 43% below 2005 levels by 2030, to end up at a net zero by 2050. It's utilising more renewable and sustainable energy types, such as solar and wind. It's promoting more awareness for future generations by helping people better understand the impacts of climate change and how to address it. It's improving energy efficiency in products, such as items requiring less power to run, and enhance more natural resource management and conservation protection. So Australia's opened and protected more national parks. Thank you for listening to my information session on climate change in Australia. We can pay the bill now or pay dearly in the future. Thank you.